Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Suzi Hixon and I'm also known as the private legal lawyer. I really focus my practice on trademark creation, trademark protection, which is filing with the USPTO, and of course, trademark enforcement. And all of these facets really do go hand in hand to help businesses build a strong brand name over time. It doesn't happen overnight. One of the things that I really want to talk a lot about on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, is the proper way to create strong trademarks. Trademarks really need to be strong from both the legal and the marketing perspective. And that's really where my niche is. Sometimes those two perspectives collide. That's something that I've learned over my years of practice. But the goal is to really find that nexus for your trademark. And I'll be talking about a lot of different trademarks on this channel. Now, another part of my practice or my business is business consulting. I work with a lot of early or young entrepreneurs who have made that leap from working in the corporate world to starting their own businesses, and I absolutely love that. So one thing I'm going to be working on a lot, I'm hoping in the future, is working with women who are making the transition from big law firm life to starting their own solo or boutique practices. So if you are interested in consulting, make sure you check out my Your Dreams application form. And speaking of Your Dreams, that's the name of my consulting business, you will see a lot of snow and mountain and winter themes in a lot of my own branding. And actually my own trademark, my own logo has an edelweiss in it, and that's the flower that you see in my logo. So anyway, thank you so much again for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and of course I'm here if you have any questions. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.